How to walk slow on Roblox. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to walk slow on Roblox application. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So hello viewers, as you can see this is my Roblox application here. As you can see, now when I normally walk, I can walk in this speed, as you can see right here. Now, in order to walk slow, simply press onto the joystick, then simply tilt your finger towards the front. Now here, as you can see, my character is walking very slow. As you can see right here, you just need to tilt your finger very slightly, not too fast or not too forcefully, very slightly. Then as you can see right here, it walks really slow. Now if you want to fasten it up, simply tilt more towards the forward, as you can see right here. So in this very simple step, you could walk slow on your Roblox application. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.